Nothing is more innocent or fragile than a small child. They rely immensely on their parents to live a good life. Why is it then that some parents choose to neglect and mistreat their kids? It's not the child's fault that he or she's there. Over 3 million reports of child abuse are made every year in the United States. This means that a report of child abuse is made every 10 seconds. One report every 10 seconds is 8,640 in just one day. Think about how many kids go to school with you. Now imagine that many small children getting physically and emotionally abused. There are many types of child abuse. Sexual or physical abuse is easily noticed, whereas emotional abuse and neglect are more conspicuous. They all, however, leave eternal scars. The majority of abused children feel that it is their fault. As a result, children do not tell anyone what's going on. They are afraid their parents will find out and hurt them even more. Eventually, abuse becomes the only life they know, which leads to many consequences. 1 out of every 4 girls that are abused will become pregnant as a teenager. Children are also more likely to get arrested, commit a violent crime, and develop drug and alcohol addiction. The worst statistic is that about 30% of abused and neglected children will continue the cycle and abuse their own children. This is why it's important for people to help stop the nightmare of child abuse. Child abuse is a very frightening occurrence, and it's important to know the warning signs. Notice if children have unexplainable bruises, welts, or cuts. If a child suddenly becomes timid and nervous, then there's a possibility of abuse. Never be afraid to call one of the many 24/7 hotlines available. That one call could change a person's entire life. By the time you dial the number, another child will have died. Depending on the length of the conversation, about another 10 children will have suffered a tragic death. Stop this violent, atrocious crime by joining one of the nonprofit organizations that are devoted to helping vulnerable children. You can make a difference.